Access Control, Texas City, Texas. Are you looking for an access control company in Texas City, Texas? We can help. Nexlar specializes in access control and security gate automation. We provide service in Texas City, Texas. Whether you are looking to secure your doors or gate, we can help. We offer a wide range of commercial security solutions to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. With the right expertise in lock hardware, you can ensure your company will have the best system installed. We work with the latest technology in card readers, magnetic locks, electronic strikes, and locks. Schedule your free access control on-site estimate today. Call us today, 281-407-0768. Visit us at https://www.nexlar.com/access control installation/Texas City access control/.